Today, let's do a small activity. What is that small activity? To do this small activity, you need to have a notebook and a pen or pencil with you. Once you are ready with the notebook and pen or pencil with you, write down a list of at least 5 names whom you consider as best friends in your life. While doing this activity, you can pause this video. Once you are done with this activity, you can continue watching the video. Let's consider that you have completed the activity. The next step would be review the list of names you have written in the notebook. Have you written your name? If you have not written your name, there is a message from it. Let's consider that you have written your name. Now, please check, have you written your name somewhere in the middle or at the end? There is a message from it. Ideally, your name should be at the top of your list. In both the cases, there is a message. The message is, you may not be knowing the art of loving yourself enough. And also, you may not be knowing how to give priority to yourself. Studies say that if you don't know the art of loving yourself enough, and also if you don't know how to give priority to yourself, you may not be knowing the art of loving others and also giving priority to them. This is the void you need to fill in. Nothing to worry too much about it. There are tools and techniques available. Once you successfully implement these tools and techniques, you will be with high energy. With high energy, you will be doing what you want to do. You will be achieving what you want to achieve with much more faster speed than ever before. Of course, with the higher vibration. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you all the best.